Hey, good morning, guys. It's your boy Joe here. I'm bringing you guys back with another video today. Guys, this is a little touchy subject here I'm going to be talking about. And of course, if you guys haven't clicked that like button, please do. I really do appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you guys so much. So let's hop right into this. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be talking about why your Minecraft is blurry when you're recording. Now, there's a lot of things that could be causing this, and I've been having the same issues, guys. Let me go ahead. I'm going to show you guys my specs really quickly so you guys can understand. I'll keep talking about this here. Let me show you guys my specs. So these are my specs, and my specs are not the best. They're Intel memory, 8 gigabytes, processor, cyber power PC. You can tell they're not the best specs out there. It's just an 8 gigabyte. I do have an HVAC graphics card in here, I do think so. I'm not 100% sure. But so basically what my issue was is I've been recording Minecraft and I've been having a lot of blurriness. And if you guys go watch my other videos, I just uploaded a quality test video. And that's a video I just did because I've been playing around with OBS to try to find where I can get the highest quality setting, and I don't want no blurriness in Minecraft. And I couldn't figure out why my Minecraft kept getting blurry when I was recording. And look, guys, the main issue here, okay, is OBS. Let me explain to you why. Now, Minecraft, it takes a lot of frames per second, okay? And I was recording Minecraft at 1920 by 1080p graphics. I was running it at 60 FPS. Here, let's go into settings. I was running it at 60 FPS, and I had my CBR. I had it on the constant bit rate, and it was set to like 140,000 bit rate or something, and or like 400,000 even. Like, I kept playing around with it to try to get the best video quality setting I possibly could, but I was still getting blurriness in my Minecraft. My Minecraft settings were boosted to the max. I had max quality on there, and it was still blurry, and the video wasn't even that high of quality. I wasn't understanding why. I was trying to get rid of this blurriness through Minecraft, and it just wasn't working for me. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys what's the main issue of this cause. Now, when you're recording Minecraft, okay, like I said, it takes a lot of frames per second. And also, guys, one thing I can recommend here is don't set your thing to CBR. This is what I had mine at. Set it at QP. And I'm pretty sure this is frames, so quality per second, I think. Right? How much quality do you want? Now, don't boost this all the way to 30. When I'm recording my Minecraft, I keep it around 12. Guys, I immediately saw like a difference, okay? Not necessarily in the blurriness, but in the quality of the video. It did seem a lot more quality, okay? Don't put it up to 30. It'll look like crap. And don't even put it at 1. It's just blurriness. You won't even see anything at 1, basically. But as you guys can see, my video is at 1920. I have it set at frames per second, 60, okay? Here is where the issue lies, guys, right here in the FPS value, okay? Now, I can't show you guys this right now because I'm using OBS to record. Usually, you can click on this and it would show intercom fractals or something like that. If you click on that, it'll show you the key intervals, and it'll let you change the FPS, and then it'll have another little 1 number down here. Don't touch that 1 number, okay? Just the number on top, and you're going to be changing the FPS. Now, the FPS, I would recommend you set, some people even set it at 460 FPS, guys. The higher the FPS, the better the smoothness will be. That's what I see the issue as be, because me, when I would bring my FPS even to 120 FPS, my Minecraft would lag like crazy. Like, the video would lag so much. I couldn't do it at 60 FPS at 120. I tried higher, guys. It wouldn't let me record. It's too much for my computer when I bring the FPS higher than 60 even. So for me, my computer at 1920 by 1080p, I tried bringing down my output scale resolution to 1280 by 720. I was able to record more, but it wasn't the best quality, and it was still a bit blurriness, a little bit, and the video was a bit choppy. So I said, okay, I can't bring my FPS up, and that's what gets rid of your blurriness. And you got to remember, in Sony Vegas, there is different render settings that can give you the highest quality video, and I will be doing a video on this also, okay, guys? But today, this is just for OBS. So what I did was, okay, I have to keep my frame per second at 60 because I can't bring it up higher than that, no matter what my resolution is. 720, whatever. I still lag. It's not even that smooth. So I said, okay, I'm going to keep my video at 60 FPS. Now I said, okay, how can I try to get the best video quality possible with just 60 frames per second? Okay, now again, there might be a little tiny bit of blurriness, just a little tiny bit, guys, but it's way better than what it would be at CBR. The CQP, guys, the QP right here, it makes a big difference. I'm telling you right now, make sure you change it to 12 or between 12 to 15. That's what I recommend. And after that, basically what I did was I brought my video up to 1920 by 1080. And guys, this is what I record at right now. This is what I find has the best video quality for me. Okay, now I'm going to be making another video soon on the Sony Vegas rendering settings. This has a lot to do with the quality also. Okay, guys, but this is just it for OBS. As you can see, I have my encoder set to HVAC, AMD. That's pretty much it. I have my rescale output set to 1920 by 1080 here. And that's pretty much it. I usually put my iframe to QP at 12, and that's it, guys. That's literally it. And yeah, so guys, again, the main reason why you're having any blurriness in the video is because the FPS is too low. 60 FPS is not a lot of FPS for Minecraft. Minecraft is a fast moving game. It's fast. So it requires a lot of frames per second. If you even set it at 200 frames per second, you'll see a dramatic difference. Dramatic. It'll look so much smoother. But for the people that can't do that, guys, do exactly like I do, okay? Just 60 frames per second, 1920 by 1080p. Make sure in your output, if you have an encoder, set it as your encoder. It'll be way better. And then change this to QP, and then change it to 12 to 14, depending on your computer, or 15, sorry. And then play around with this. This you want to leave at 0. Doesn't really matter about this. Just make sure you play around with this. And the video is at 1920 by 1080p, 60 FPS frames per second. And that's going to give you a pretty decent quality video. Now, to make it insane quality, that's all due in Sony Vegas. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys on how to do that in Sony Vegas, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, of course, please give me a thumbs up. If this video helped you, I would really like to know. Please leave a comment down below, because I do love to help you guys. If this maybe cleared up some issues for you guys while your Minecraft was blurry while you're recording, it's all due to your frames per second. If you can't upgrade your frames per second, copy my settings. You'll get the best, and then I'll show you guys how to even make the quality even better in Sony Vegas, okay, while rendering the render settings. So let me know, guys, down below. Make sure to click the like button. I really do appreciate all the support, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Adios, guys.